Experiencing sound problems with your Sceptre monitor? Audio issues are among the most commonly reported problems with these budget-friendly displays. Understanding the root causes will help you fix them quickly. Most Sceptre monitors feature built-in speakers with 2 to 5 watts of power and frequency response from 100 Hz to 18 kHz. The audio signal follows a specific path that can fail at multiple points. The type of connection you use determines whether audio is supported. HDMI and DisplayPort carry both video and audio signals digitally, while VGA and DVI require separate audio cables. VGA and DVI connections only carry video signals. If you're using these older connection types, you'll need a separate 3.5mm audio cable to get sound from your monitor speakers. Start troubleshooting with basic hardware verification. Check that all cables are firmly connected and that you're using the correct cable type for audio support. Next, verify your monitor's power status by checking the LED indicator. Test the built-in volume controls using the monitor's physical buttons or on-screen menu to ensure the speakers are functioning. Audio problems typically occur at 3 main failure points: loose or incompatible cables, incorrect driver configuration, or wrong audio output settings in your operating system. Here's a quick diagnostic checklist to identify the problem. First, confirm you're using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable for audio support. Second, check that your monitor appears as an audio device in your system settings. Third, verify the volume is not muted and is set to an audible level. These basic hardware checks resolve most Sceptre monitor audio issues. If your audio still isn't working after verifying connections and settings, the problem likely requires software configuration or driver updates, which we'll cover in the next section. When hardware checks pass, the next step is configuring your operating system's audio settings. On Windows, right-click the sound icon in your system tray and select Sound Settings. In the Sound Settings window, you need to select your Sceptre monitor as the output device. Look for your monitor's model name in the device list and click to select it. Check the device properties to ensure your monitor is not disabled. If the device appears grayed out or shows as disabled, right-click and enable it. Update your audio drivers through Device Manager. Press Windows key plus X. Select Device Manager, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, then right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. For macOS users, the process is simpler. Go to System Preferences, then Sound, and select your monitor from the Output Device list. Adjust the volume slider to your preferred level. For advanced Windows troubleshooting, disable audio enhancements that may cause conflicts. Set your audio format to 16-bit, 44,100 Hz for maximum compatibility with monitor speakers. Graphics drivers often include audio components. Update these through NVIDIA GeForce Experience, AMD Adrenalin software, or Intel Graphics Command Center, depending on your graphics card. NVIDIA users can access GeForce Experience to update both graphics and audio drivers. The software automatically detects and installs the latest compatible drivers for your system. AMD users should check Adrenalin software for audio driver updates. The software provides comprehensive driver management, including audio components for your graphics card. Intel users can utilize Intel Graphics Command Center for driver updates. This software manages both graphics and audio drivers for Intel integrated graphics solutions. If monitor audio issues persist, consider bypassing the built-in speakers entirely. A dedicated USB DAC and amplifier setup provides superior audio quality and eliminates compatibility issues. This USB DAC setup connects your computer to external speakers or headphones, completely bypassing the monitor's audio system. This solution is particularly popular among gamers and audio enthusiasts who demand the highest quality sound.